I want to show you how to enlarge fonts size in PuppyLInux. This does not work with all the applications, but I want to demonstrate. I have markedly enlarged some of the fonts by setting setting.ini in this folder. So let me just go ahead and demonstrate it. So Synapse is an application launcher. So you can see that this is huge. Normally it's just very small and normal size. So we can go ahead and type in rocks filer, for example, and then rocks filer, everything is sort of normal size. But I have only changes I have made is just to adjust the setting to demonstrate. Some of the other programs that I found that it enlarges is besides the Synapse is a Firefox. So here's the browser, the main browser. You can see that this is huge. Application size obviously is normal, but this is markedly. So if you find the menu and so on in Firefox is very small, you can use this technique. And then some of the other programs I found that is affected is gthumb that I use is a photo editor and a photo viewer. And we can just take a look at the gthumb, and you can see that these are huge, and the file names are huge, and so on. So we'll just close that, and then go back. And the calculator is another one. It's the small calculator. So we can start that, and you can see that this is huge. Normally, it's very. It takes up about space this small. So, and the gnumeric is a program that I don't use, but it is we can just go ahead and start gnumeric, go down, and then it's a spreadsheet, and you can see that these menus are very large. Geany itself is not affected, obviously. So you can see that what I have made is a gtk-font-name is Deja Vu Sans. Default I think is 10, but I made it 48. So this is, let me just put it back to my normal size and we'll save. So I want to demonstrate some of the things we just talked about. To make things easier to present, I'm just going to get Terminal to right click and go to edit, and then I'm just going to change this to Super T just to go ahead and get this triggered with so we'll get a terminal going, a Super T. Here's the terminal, and what we're gonna do is just copy this into the terminal, and the copy and middle mouse click, and then I don't want this window to close, so we'll just give the ampersand sign. And then when you do that, you're gonna have this. So default gtk-font-name is sans and 10. So if you let me just show you. Only thing I did installed on this fresh installed is Synapse. So Control Spacebar is how you launch Synapse. So you can see that these are reasonable size, although what you want to do is on my machine the Virgilio looks much better, and you always want to stop on lock screen. Up again, now it looks normal Virgilio. So here is what you type. So let's say gnumeric is a spreadsheet I showed you with enlarged fonts before, and this is the normal appearance. And this is what you want to do, is just simply change the size. So from default 10 to perhaps 14, and then go ahead and save. and then reboot, and